Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration. So we are going to do something completely different today. We are going to be using our stencils and some of our elements, but we're going to be using a brand new product that I tried out the other day, and I had so much fun with this product. So I'm going to show you what I did and see if it inspires you to have a go. You can use whatever stencil you want. There's so many different ones we produce, but if you've got other ones, same technique. I'm going to just open these up and show you what these blocks are. So they're like a spongy foam, okay, but they're different in the sense that they take heat, so they mold to a shape that you want. So all you need to do is, using your heat gun, heat over the top for a while and then take an impression of whatever it is that you want. I tried it with a stencil and I was really happy with the result. So I've got my heat gun, and all I'm going to do is just heat over the top. Okay, so you need to act quite quickly now. So taking that, I'm going to pop that block over the top and give that a really good press down. I'm going to get all that lovely detail from the stencil transferred into the block. Okay, let's see what we've got. And there it is. I hope you can see that under the light there. So there's that little indentation of that stencil design. As I say, you can apply this with any stencil. And what I'm going to do is ink up using our elements. These are our water-based inks. So let's go with a little bit of orange and some paprika. A little bit more depth, and then we're going to pop the dark denim just around the edges. Okay. And then taking some of our watercolour card, don't have to use watercolour card, but I am today. And I'm going to line that up in the centre. Pop it down. Give that a good press. Transfer that image. And then you have an instant card. And I just really like that effect. It's like block printing. So I'll just use a stamp now, just a worded stamp, just to go around the edge. So I'm going to use the Chianti. So ink up. I'm going to take off first, bob that down. So ink up, take off, pop down, and then I'm going to go along this side and this side, just to give it a little bit of a frame. And anything now we want to embellish or put over the top, you don't have to do anything. I think it's nice enough by itself. But I think what we'll do is just use some of our stickles Read what colour that is. Cayman. So it's lovely, lovely blue, turquoise blue. And all I'm going to do is just put a few little dots of this glitter in all the gaps, just to bring a little bit of something else. And again, you don't have to use these colours. You can use whichever colours you like. I just thought these work quite nicely together. So just that little bit of glitter does make the difference, giving it a little bit of a sparkle. And we can put a little on the edge here as well. So how quick and easy was that? And it's an instant card. I just really like the effects of it. And once you've finished with this, you can just wipe it down. Okay, so you wipe that clean. And if you wanted to change the pattern on that, you simply heat it back up. And it goes back exactly as it was before, completely smooth and completely flat. So I just think that's great. You can do all sorts of things with it. I've not experimented much further than the stencils, but I'm sure I will. In the meantime, I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. It'd be great to see what you guys do. In the meantime, take care and see you soon. Bye for now.